let's learn this song. It's called This Mess We're In. It's by PJ Harvey. It features Yorke of Radiohead. Not just a beginner song, but this could be the very first song you learn. This would be a good one. It's all based around the C. The C is open high E. Your index finger's on the B string at the first fret. Your middle finger is on the D string at the second fret. And your ring finger is going to be on the A string at the third fret. This finger is got the root note. That's your C. Very closely related to the C is the A minor 7. They're like brother and sisters. They're very closely related. A minor 7 is your B string on the first fret and your D string on the second fret. And all the rest are open. We don't play the low E on E. It's A minor 7. And then to turn it into a C, we just hammer on our ring finger to the A string at the third fret. So that's the main riff for this song, is the hammering on, playing A minor 7 and hammering on to a C. Probably 50% of this song. Now, A minor 7 comes first, and it's got a little funky rhythm. It's odd. So let's try to it's got a 7/8 beat, but to simplify it, we'll just break it up into two sections. The first section is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we play A minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the beat 4, we hammer on to C. And then for the C, we do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. That's the first section. And to get this chord, we just take our C, we keep our fingers in the same position, we just slide up 2 frets, 1, 2, and now our index is on the 3rd fret, our root note on our ring finger is on the 5th fret, and we're leaving this low E string alone, we don't play it, playing like these lower strings. Strings 4, 3, 2, and the 5 string too. When we slide back from this D, we slide into C. And then we go into A minor to C again. Of the song. Alright, that is the rest of the song. What we're doing there is we're just like we slide it up into this D chord, Dsus chord. We're gonna slide up into some kind of funky F chord. So we go from the C, we slide all the way up so our ring finger is on fret 8. It's an F note. So we're playing an F chord with the C shape at the, our index finger will be on the 6th fret. And we slide down to the D again. Then we go to A minor this time. So that is different in that when you slide from the this D chord back to your initial position, you're going to start on the A minor here. All right, so we slide to the 8th fret root F chord. Slide down to the D at the 5th fret root, and then we let go and we play A minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that should cover the whole song. It's a great song, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any comments, put them in the comments section. Thanks. Bye.